Now, this is a free indicator as well that tells you which way is the market trending, and it's actually very, very, very accurate. I'm going to show you guys. All right, so I'm here on my desktop. I want to show you guys exactly the indicator I'm talking about. Again, I did not create this. Whoever did create it though, thanks to them, because they did extremely well. But this is going to help you guys out a lot. So go ahead and type in super trend, all one word, okay? And it's going to be this one right here by Canvac. Shout out to you. Let's go ahead and hit exit. Okay, now check this out. Now, I'm not saying when this thing hits to take a sell. Okay, we're not going to look at it like that, but instead we're going to look at it in the sense of what type of market are we in, okay? So we have a buy come in here, which means we're in a bullish market. As you can see, we did push up. We have a sell come in here. We're in a selling market, and as you see, it did push down. A buy, we pushed up, and a sell, we pushed all the way down. A buy up and a sell here. This is a very, very accurate indicator, but you're not going to take signals using it. You're not going to just say, oh, it says sell, let's sell. It's not the way to go. All this is good for is to tell you what kind of trend you're in. Are you in a selling or a buying market, okay? This is huge. This is huge. It's going to give you a lot of influence, especially if you're a breakout trader like me. You go to the daily, you see, hey, we're in a selling market. And then replay mode on this just to show you guys. Okay, we're in a selling market here. Okay, now that I know that we're in a selling market, I'm going to go down to my smaller time frame. I'm going to look for sell positions based upon my breakout. And from our 5-minute time frame, we're now going to find a beautiful breakout setup like we always do. As you can see, we have resistance. We have that trend line break. We can then take our short position on the break of that candle, tight stop loss, target maybe just a little 1 to 3, whatever you want to do, and boom, the rest was history. The rest was literally history.